Welcome to this plane spotting guide of Prague Václav Airport. At the time of putting this video together, a few important updates regarding spotting have been brought to my attention at Prague. Most notably, the main observation mound overlooking the airfield has since been demolished and closed. I visited the airfield in April of 2018 this year, and at the time it was open, but unfortunately has since been demolished. Prague Airport on Twitter though have confirmed their intention of reopening a new mound very close to the original one, which should be open in the next 4 to 5 months. They confirmed that via Twitter. I still hope you find the information in this video from the original spot both useful and also on where to stay. Might be of help to anyone who's planning a trip over to Prague. Again, I'm sorry this is a little outdated.
Good morning folks from a very cool, cold, frosty, however you want to describe it, Prague Airport in the Czech Republic. So behind me we have the terminal, the apron, plenty of ATRs, A319s, 737s all ready to go, a variety of different airlines too. So throughout the day we'll be filming here and hopefully a few interesting catches, plenty of movements due throughout the day. So at the moment I'm just waiting for a Rossiya Airbus A319 or A321. It's one of the two. It's a great place to spot. This spot in particular is right next to the main runway. Offers fantastic views across the airfield. I came here last night with my camera after I first arrived, just to take a few photos, see what it was like, and it was very good, I have to say. As you can see, and this is the observation platform here at Prague. Today is the first of an entire trip. Tomorrow I'll be plane spotting here in Prague again, flying back to Edinburgh. Wednesday, Toulouse and Madrid. Wednesday, Toulouse and Madrid. Thursday, Porto and Lisbon, 2 days spotting in Lisbon, and then back to Edinburgh on Saturday night. So loads to look forward to. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the videos that are to come. Thank you for watching. So this is the bed and breakfast that I'm staying in, or hotel. As you walk in, mirror, hello everyone. Little bathroom here, fairly basic, all the stuff you need. You got shampoo and stuff there, your loo and everything. Nice bath as well. I prefer a bath to a shower, but that's just me. Soap, yeah, when I've been here since yesterday, spotlessly clean, and you know, I have very high standards when it comes to that. So this is as you walk up to your bedroom, so you've got stairs going up here, and again, as you can see, it's quite aviation themed. I think the photo down here sort of gave it away, a Lufthansa A319 and an old Junkers JU-52, I think. Can't quite remember. Either way. Then we'll go up the stairs here. Got radiator and heating that you can adjust. Your lights, switch and everything's there. You do get a complimentary bottle of water and 2 glasses too. Seat there and everything. Now this is the very upstairs room. So this is, I booked it for a single, but essentially it is a double bed. Now you've got two skylights here, and initially when I arrived yesterday I looked and I thought, oh well, that's a bit of a shame, there's not really any view of the approach, but we'll get back to that in a sec. But anyway, you've got your two lights, bed, which is a bit messy. That's because of me, obviously. Television as well, all work, and I've tried it yesterday, it's all good. Plenty of storage space. I think the only downside to the room, to be honest with you, you know, you've got your wooden banister. Yeah, the only downside is there's no kettle or anything like that, or even just just hot water really to make a hot drink, which is a shame. Anyway, when I first arrived, I saw these two skylights and thought, well, that's a bit of a shame, there's no view. But I opened them, and they didn't just open a tiny bit, they open fully. So, if you actually go up the top here, look out here. Actually get a view over the approach there. And there's the planes landing. So, even though I'm here, I can still watch everything that's still going on at the airport, so it's brilliant. Really brilliant. Nice central location. I will leave a link in the description to where you can book it on booking.com. But overall, great place. Close to the airport. It's just a 5-10 minute walk away from one of the main spots here in Prague. Definitely recommend it. So if you're ever visiting Prague and you want to do a little bit of plane spotting, or like myself, that's what you have in mind, then I would definitely book this place. Good value for money, and also a good pub next door. So yeah, it's a win-win. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope this helped.
The following day I visited the second mound at Prague Airport, which gives a good overview of aircraft taxiing past you, along with nice shots of them rotating from the runway. Overall, it's a great spot, not the easiest to get to, but well worth the effort. And as of June 2018, this is the only mound which is still accessible to the public.
So this is just the this is a viewing deck. You come through the restaurant, which you come through the door just there, and it's all clearly marked viewing deck. And then just to the side, and so on. That's pretty much a whole panoramic of the viewing deck. So I'll say it's a great location. Another good one to add to the list.
that's the end of the spotting guide, folks. That takes in basically the main spots at Prague Airport, both outside and around the airport, but also from inside the terminal before and after security. I really hope you found this video informative and of some use if you're planning a trip to Prague. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below and I'll do my best to try and answer them for you. Please like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notifications for new videos which are coming up very soon.